Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome. This is your welcome video for Move, a 30-day journey that we are about to embark on together. Thank you so much for being here. Again, there's no yoga today. Well, there is yoga, no physical asana, no physical practice. We begin with that movement tomorrow. So this is just an opportunity for you to sit up nice and tall, or if you're lying down, that's cool too. Just relax your shoulders and take a deep breath in, because you are here and we are doing this thing together. Right, Benji? All right. So if you haven't already officially signed up for the program, please do. The link is in the description of this video. This will allow you to receive the written component of this program, which really creates a more robust experience. So this can help you kind of take some of the things that we work on the mat, off the mat with you. This is also really a beautiful opportunity for me to continue learning alongside you about the connections between the brain and the body, and how magnificent it can be to better understand ourselves through that exploration. Anyway, I'm super excited that you're here. We begin tomorrow. Here are a couple tips to just help you make it through the 30 days in a way that feels really good. First up, you don't need anything fancy. You don't need any fancy clothes. You don't need a super fancy yoga kit. All you need is some comfortable clothes. You can wear the same thing every day, maybe wash it a couple times, but just wear something comfy, something that you can move easily in and comfortably in. For a yoga mat, of course, it'd be really lovely if you have one to work on, but if you don't have a mat, no problem. Just try to practice on a nice hard surface. If you can, bring a blanket or a towel to have around your home practice for this next month. And if you have a yoga block, great, bring it, or two, great. If not, maybe just a big book or something firm that you can prop yourself up on. Often we have this opportunity to lift the ground to us as we're building our practice and working on flexibility. So that can be helpful. If you have none of these things and you're like, I still want to show up, great. This is designed for everyone to be able to show up and experience on some level. So you really, again, don't need anything fancy. Don't get hung up on that. You will need some time, and I know time is valuable, and I want to thank you for sharing your time and energy with me and with Benji and with people all around the world who are gathering together. So important that we continue to do this, to have this experience and support one another. So best you can, carve out the time, let the people you live with or you work around know that you're going on this journey. And a great way to do that is to actually invite them to do it with you, either in the same room with you or alongside you in another space. So you could have your privacy if you need it. But this is going to be a challenge, and I know you can do it. So communicate with people you love. Tell them you're going to be doing this for 30 days, and make sure to carve out the time ahead of time so that you're not in a struggle fest every day. Will it be a struggle sometimes to show up? Absolutely. But that's why I'm here, to motivate you and guide us together to make it to the end. And in every end is a new beginning. So I can't wait to share that practice with you on day 30. Till then, let's take a deep breath in here. If you like, bring your hands together in a mudra. We call this Anjali Mudra. And if you want, close your eyes or soften your gaze down gently past your nose. We're just going to take a couple of group breaths to officially kick this thing off. And then we'll resume tomorrow, where we begin with our physical practice. So here we go, inhaling in deeply through the nose. And as you exhale, I just want to invite you to think about what you want to move towards. What do you want to move towards? Deep breath in through the nose. And slow exhale out through the mouth. What do you want to move towards? And one last time, inhaling in together. And exhaling together. Find a gentle tuck of the chin so you can feel the back of the neck lengthen. You kind of bow your head to your heart. Just a little reverent bow here. Thank you so much for committing to this journey. 30 days together to find movement that is yours. Find movement that feels like magic. Movement that impacts your neighbor and that always begins with your breath. We're going to move our bodies, we're going to move our mindsets. And I invite you to really allow yourself to be moved, whatever that means to you. All right, gently draw your chin to your chest. We'll close by bowing the head to the heart. Inhale in. As you exhale, open your eyes, lift your chin, relax your hands. That's it, day 0 in the books. This is your official welcome. You're my hero. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Till then, namaste.